On the 24th of June, the day after the result, the First Minister, quoted in ITV and Wales Online, quoted on Julie Morgan's website, said that one of his red lines was that we retain freedom of movement of people. That was on the 24th of June, the day after. I asked the Cabinet Secretary for Finance, when did the policy change? You know, an answer did not come. I went back and checked the original press release, and it is true that the statement on the Welsh Government website, the third of the 6 priorities, does not mention freedom of movement from the 24th of June. But one of the wonders of being bilingual, I checked the Welsh language version, which does actually, under the third point, curiously mention freedom of movement. And so, yes, I mean, you know, is this a case of retrospective policy development? You change your mind and therefore you go back and change the policy and the press notice that was put out at the time. The government, I understand, has now confirmed that they did change the original version of that press notice, which did include a commitment to freedom of movement, and that they forgot to change the Welsh language version. Not only misleading, but misleading and inept as well. What a combination to have as a government at this time. I asked the Cabinet Minister, when did the policy change? Well, we now know exactly, with precision, because the original press notice, in English as well, going out maintaining a commitment to freedom of movement, went out at 9:20 a.m. on the 24th of June, and it was corrected by 10:04. So in those 44 minutes, we're led to believe, I mean, presumably there was a cabinet meeting, was there? There was a discussion with the other members of the Labour group and with the Liberal Democrat member of the government. Policy on a fundamental matter wasn't brought to this assembly. It was changed by diktat in 44 minutes. No way to run a government on anything, least of all on probably one of the most important challenges that our people face in this generation.